Hello everyone, today we are making candy cane brownies. First, break half a bar of chocolate into pieces. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil into the pot along with your chocolate. Turn on the stove to the lowest possible temperature and let the chocolate melt. When it's melted, take it off the stove and stir well so the oil and chocolate can be fully incorporated. Then, while letting it cool, sift your half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda onto parchment paper. After sifting, crack an egg in the pot and add in your sifted ingredients. Stir it together but don't overmix. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips or chunks. Grease your pan with oil. And spread out the batter on the pan evenly. Next, bake it at 176 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. When the brownies are done baking, let them cool a bit so it isn't too hot, but still warm. Melt 2 squares of chocolate for the ganache. Then, crush the candy canes with a bag and rolling pin. Pour the melted chocolate and sprinkle the candy canes on top. Now you're done! We hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.